Bitcoin. It's not going to be like, oh shit, someone's shut down the Bitcoin server, right?
What do you think about IPFS? Because many of those NFTs also are hosted on IPFS, right?
Yeah. So IPFS is like a distributed way of storing stuff. But if you stop paying the bill for IPFS, the same way if you stop paying the bill for AWS, it ends up in the sales result, dangling NFTs. Yeah, right. I would say AWS is actually better than IPFS because it takes care of, it's much faster. And what does IPFS offers you? Like crash fault tolerance, right? No one can like censorship resistance is also there, which AWS does not give. But if you're just looking at crash fault tolerant, I think the cloud implementation that AWS has is much more crash fault tolerance, disaster tolerant than IPFS, right? So IPFS gives you a like veneer of decentralization, but not the full flavor of it. The full flavor is the permanence that comes with Web3, right?
So your data needs to be stored somewhere, right? So when it comes to like the kind of decentralization, the complete decentralization that you're talking about, where will that data be stored even permanently?
On chain. So if your metadata is not on chain, then your NFT is not your NFT kind of scenario, right? So you might say, hey, like storage is very expensive. That's super expensive on Ethereum, but not on the chain that I'm building. Not on the, let's say, Filecoin, or let's say ARweave or Arcana network that is building on Cosmos right now, that is bringing a storage on chain. So everything is stored on chain and it is permanently stored. You cannot mess with it from there on onwards, right? And I'm not saying that you must store like 3 gigabyte large like images on top of there. Maybe that is something that will never be feasible, even like 5 years down the line, where actual like storage, public storage on blockchain becomes a thing. But you must store at least the basics, the basic metadata about the NFT on chain. For example, like you went on and said that this particular trait of the NFT is limited and only X number of people will have it, right? But you promised that, but you put that off chain in IPFS, and then you later on went and modified it. Anyone can come and modify it, right? So you can break the contract very easily, and no one like will get to know, right? That's not what like Web3 is about, right?